EasyPianoOnline. Hello everyone, today we will learn how to play Chopin's Prelude Op.28 No.6 in B minor. In this first tutorial we will learn the first part of this song, and part 2 is on the website. Please have a look. Alright, so we'll begin the first part with the right hand. Right hand begins with a chord, so we have first finger on D, second finger on F sharp, and fifth finger on B. Repeat B with the fifth finger. Now together, second and fifth on F sharp and B. Repeat B. Again together. Now we have D, F sharp, B again. Okay, now we move up to B and D fingers 2 and 4. Repeat the D. Next we have F sharp, B and D fingers 1, 2 and 4. Repeat the D. Again, chord, D, chord, and D. Then we have G, B, D fingers 1, 2 and 4. D, now B and D, next we have G sharp, B and D fingers 1, 2 and 4, and now we have G sharp, B and C sharp fingers 1, 2 and 3. Moving down we have G, A sharp, C sharp, then B and D, and together G, A sharp, E, then G and B, G and A sharp. Now a big chord, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. Moving down, D, then we're going to have a grace note, so quickly, D, moving down to F sharp and C sharp, then B, together C sharp, G, A sharp, D, G sharp, B, D, B, D, moving down, C sharp, A sharp, C sharp. And then the beginning repeats again, so we have D, F sharp, and B. D, G, B, fingers 2 and 4 on G and B, again same thing, we have G and C, fingers 2 and 5. E, G, C, fingers 1, 2, and 5. Now G and C, fingers 2 and 5. And E, G, C. Now we have G and C again. And G and B, fingers 2 and 5. Okay, so we'll stop here. It's part 1, and look at the left hand. Left hand begins with 5th finger on B, D, F sharp, B, and 2nd finger crosses over the 1st to D. 3rd is on C sharp, then D, and 1st is on B. Switch the 4th finger to 1st on the B note, and moving down F sharp, D, C sharp, B, 4th finger crosses over the 1st to D, F sharp, E, F sharp, D, switch the 4th finger to 1st on the D note, and moving down to B, F sharp, D, 5th finger moves down to the lower G, D, third is on F sharp, repeat the F sharp, then E sharp, now we'll have the grace notes, so we'll quickly play E to D, fingers 1 to 2. First is on B, E, E sharp, and F sharp. First finger goes under to D, 3rd is on C sharp, and the beginning repeats again, so 5th is on B. 3rd is on C sharp, 4th is on B, switch 4th finger to 1st on the B note, F sharp, D, B, 5th finger plays G, D, G, 3rd finger crosses over the 1st to B, F, down to E, 1 under to C, G, C, 5th finger moves down to the low C, G, E, 3rd finger crosses over the 1st to G, and E. One more time, same thing. Alright, so we'll stop here with the left hand and combine hands together. Left hand begins with 5th finger on B, and right hand comes in with 1st, 2nd, and 5th fingers on D, F sharp, and B. Together, left, and together. Together, C sharp and B, and again left hand B with the chord in the right. together, together with the chord. Left hand moves down to the low G, right hand plays G, B, D, fingers 1, 2, and 4. One under to E sharp in the left, together, left hand first on B, right hand plays F sharp B, E. Together, and back to the beginning part. D, together, together. Together, left hand fifth is on G, right hand plays D, G, B, fingers 1, 3, and 5. Together, left hand moves down to the low C, and one more time. Okay, so we'll stop here. This is the first part, and please see the part 2 on the website. Happy practicing!